YouTube? What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, and I'm back at it with another one, man. Today, I'm gonna give you 10 facts, 10 things, however you want to take it. But today, it's 10 things that you need to know while being a COARSE waver. So let's get right into it. Number one. No, actually, we're gonna start from 10 to 1. 10. When being a COARSE waver, you have to understand that it's hard. It's hard. It is hard being a COARSE waver because our hair is coarse. Now, that's key fact number one. It's hard, but you have to have that dedication and grind to keep pushing and going as a COARSE waver. It's gonna be hard. It's hard. That's gonna be my 10, 9. Being a COARSE waver, me personally, just being a waver alone, you're gonna lose a lot of motivation. You're gonna gain some motivation. But the one thing I do to keep my motivation going is I keep that brush moving. Not only that, I may get a new brush, I may get a new do-rag to push me, but it's really the brushes that I keep getting to push me, because it's like, I get a new brush, I want to use that brush, I want to put it to work. I can't wait to use it. I know it's a medium or a hard, but I can't wait to use it. So I want to whiff my hair out to get to that level to see how far that brush gonna take. New brush. I'm telling you, things to know as a COARSE waver. Number 8. You need an oil. An oil that's gonna be your best friend. Now me on the other hand, I'm running through about 2 different oils right now. I'm really trying to see which one works best for me to keep my hair A1 when I'm woofing, when I'm low cut, when I'm in the middle of a cut, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks notice. Like, I'm trying to see what works in between, all the way, fully, just in the beginning, just here, just there. I'm still trying to find my set oil. So don't be afraid to experiment. So what's that? That's already 7. Like I said, okay, 7. Being a COARSE waver, don't be afraid to experience to see what works in your hair. Like for me, double buttercream is nice and all. Double buttercream works in my hair. I'm just using that as an example because that's a product that I have that I would use in my hair, but I don't like what it does to my hair after. But it's crazy because I can use as I am products like leave-in conditioner that works for me. But double buttercream, that don't work for me. Yeah, it gets my hair nice and cool for the meantime, but in the long run, it dries my hair out because I don't know if I'm using it properly or however it works. It just never ends well for me. It's too thick. It's too thick. It makes my hair like sweat out. Basically, I sweat out and it dries out because I'm different. Understand that your waves are different. You're different. You're not the next COARSE waver. You're not me. You're not the next COARSE waver. You're not that COARSE waver. You're not him. You're not her. You're not none of those COARSE wavers. You're your own COARSE waver. What works for you is what works for you. And if you're having trouble finding what works for you, keep venturing out, man. It's all in a part of a journey. And you don't need 10, 7 million products. All you need is a good handful. I say about 5. I only got about 5. But it is certain products that I might venture off, like, okay, of course you're gonna need your butter, your moisturizer, your oil, your leave-in conditioner, and your shampoo. But for me, I might take those 5 and I might say, okay, out of the 5, I wanna use I got my butter, my butter, my moisturizer, my oil. But hey, I feel like my oil, it's not getting the job done, so we're gonna X that oil out. We're gonna add, this oil in. Okay, that oil work better than this one. Okay, no, put that one in this position. He now number 5. that other oil out the rotation of the 5. Basically what I'm trying to say is, you can tap 5 products, but you can also rotate through products. Don't get me wrong. But once you rotate, stick to those, but only don't try to switch out everything at once. You need to keep that same 5 in rotation: butter, moisturized oil, you know, leave-in conditioner or leave-in conditioner, and shampoo. Keep those 5 in rotation. When you want to switch one out that you feel like is not working, try switching that out. Like me, I've been playing with my oil. This is oil right here. My middle finger is oil. I've been playing with that, trying to figure out which one will work in all that 5. So that's all I've been doing, you know. But yeah, always keep the 5. Those 5 things. And I honestly didn't lost track of what number we're on. I ain't gonna lie, because I'm just, you know, I'm rambling right now. I'm letting y'all know things. If I'm not mistaken, we might be on, what's that, 7. If I'm wrong, it's all right. I'm still giving y'all facts. We're just gonna start back at 7. 7. You gotta trust the process, man. A lot of coarse hair wavers may start brushing or getting to woof stages, and they have waves in the beginning. As you get into your woof, your waves start to disappear. No, they haven't disappeared. They're under there. They're under there. You may need a harder brush to get down to the scalp so they can show. Don't worry about what the hair look like on top. The wave, it's about what's on the bottom, you know? But that tells me that you weren't brushing, because if you were brushing, no matter what stage of woof you on, yeah, they may not look as wavy as they did, but you're gonna see some form of waves on the top because you've been brushing with a hard brush. And the hard brush is your best friend. You need all 3. Medium, soft, medium, and a hard. I don't care what no wavers say, you're gonna need those eventually, because they all take you into different levels. And you know, depending on what different brushes there are, they all hit different. So, you know, I don't care what waver tell you, you just need this. You do need just one little brush in the beginning, but I really recommend, if you want to get into this waving stuff for real, and you don't want to just be that dude with waves, get all 3. And trust the process, bro. Trust the process. Give your waves that proper opportunity, and excuse my nephew in the back, I know he whining, but give your waves the proper opportunity to prosper, to go, to step to that next level. You feel me? 6. For number 6, man, you really just gotta, you know, keep your waves maintained. Don't ever fall off. Because the moment you fall off, don't even fall off for a day. Once you get deep into woofing, you can't fall off. You can't fall off, you can't let go, and you just can't stop at all. You feel me? You can't stop at all. Do not stop. Keep going. Brush every day. I don't care if you got an hour brush session in yesterday, and today you was only able to get 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It was still something. You still treated your waves, maintained them, and didn't just go days and days without even looking to see what's going on under here. Yeah, it's silky and all. Yeah, your hair was laid down today, but in 2 more days, that's dry. It's silky, but it's dry. It's dying. It's just sitting in there, being compressed. You're not letting it breathe. Do something to your head, man. At least once a day. I don't care how you do your sessions. Get 1 session in a day. Just 1 session in a day, man. Maintain it. Don't fall off. It's a journey. You can go a day without brushing, but it's gonna catch up with you. It's gonna catch up with you. It will. Trust, it will. Like, you can take breaks. I take breaks. Sometimes I go days. I might even almost go a week, bro. But that's not good. You're gonna fall off. You're gonna gain force. It's a process. It's a lifestyle. This is a lifestyle. For number 5, you just really, man, number 5, man, you gotta let a game. Love the game, man. Love this game. You want to get into this wave stuff, you gotta love this. This gotta be yo motivation, yo. This isn't a hobby at that. This is a hobby, not only a hobby, it's a hobby turned lifestyle. It's a hobby turned lifestyle. Now, like I was telling y'all before, you could be the dude with waves, or you could be this elite waver, or this waver that's about to be elite. Which one do you want to be? Let me know down in the comments which one you trying to be. What are you trying to be? What level you trying to be at? Are you satisfied where you're at right now? If not, let me know down in the comments. Hit me on Instagram at ricothewaver, and make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, ricothewaver. DM me, I'ma hit you back if you need any tips. If you're not satisfied with where your wave's at, I might not be able to get back to you instantly. I got a lot of DMs. I'ma get to you though. I'm gonna get to your question. I always get to everybody's question, bro. Every time. So make sure y'all go follow me. That's right there for 5. Go follow me on Instagram. Follow me right now on Instagram. I'll wait. It's gonna be in the description below. The description. Right below the video. Right there. All them links. That's how you get to me. You get in contact with me. You wanna follow back. Anything, man. I'm telling you. Your wave is busting hard enough, you'll get a follow back. You need some tips, I'll hit you in your DM, we chop it up, so on and so forth. You feel me? And number 4, man. We getting down to number 1. I'm gonna let y'all know where number 1 is. Number 4 is pretty much, you know, like the 4, bro, you always gotta have that comb. As a coarse hair waver, you gotta have a comb. The comb is your best friend. The comb is gonna get you connection. The comb is gonna help you when you're vertical brushing. That comb that help you with connections, that help you comb through your hair. Release the tension, like everybody be saying, release the tension, you know, help you knock forks out, and everything will be A1. Now, for number 3, you feel me? Hitting them angles, bro. Angles. Angles is another one of your best friends. You always gotta make sure that you're hitting your angles right. You gotta hit your angles right, because I know you want your connections to be right. That goes right along with 3. Combing. Helps with connections. Angles helps with connections. Angles help you learn how to brush your hair the right way. Number 2, we can't forget about the crown. The crown is a different part, man. You have to understand your hair, which way it grows. You have to understand, is it growing this way? You have to understand, is it growing that way? You have to understand, is your right side growing this way, up or down, to the side, to a slant? You gotta understand how your hair grows completely, and understand that your crown is gonna grow the way it wants to grow. Like Jeezy was saying in that video he just made, do not force your crown. Stop trying to force your crown. Man, let it do what it do. It's gonna, if you have 2 crowns, then I understand. You know, make one of them the dominant crown. But if you have 1 crown, please stop trying to force it to shift it on the other side of your head. It's on that side for a reason. It's on whatever side it's on for a reason. It's right there for a reason. Figure out which way you're gonna brush it and brush it into your waves. But don't force the crown, because you're gonna disrupt it and everything's gonna crash. Everything is gonna go in everything is gonna just look nasty. Okay? And number 1, I've been saving this one for last. As a coarse hair waver, you're gonna have haters. You're gonna have haters, bro. You're gonna have haters. You're gonna have haters from medium hair texture. You're gonna have haters from straight hair waver. You're gonna have haters from all over. You're gonna have other coarse hair waver haters. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. You're gonna have haters. It's not gonna be a day that go past where they can't mention your name. It won't even be a regular day for them unless they mention your name. Your haters is your number 1 supporters. Your number one supporters is your haters. They will hate your guts behind your back, but be in your face supporting you. Haters. Coarse Hair Waver have a lot of haters. I got a lot of haters. Ain't no reason for me to hate on nobody. If my hair don't grow like that, it just don't grow like that. If I don't have that texture, I just don't have that texture. I got my own texture. I do what I do. I brush how I brush. It's not my fault that my waves is speaking loud. You feel me? Like I said, that brush never lie. That brush never lie. Them waves never lie. You feel me? That brush gonna tell it all. You feel me? That them waves gonna tell it all. What you really been doing. So when I'm out here fully connected and everything looking damn near A1, they gonna hate. Like PB said, what he say? They gonna hate cause I'm great. I don't know how he exactly said it. He said what? No, he said they hate cause I'm great. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Y'all, I know y'all heard him say that before. You know? No, he said if you great, they gonna hate. That's what he said. If you great, they gonna hate. You feel me? And that's up there. As a Coarse Hair Waver, you gonna have haters. You gonna have haters. I'm telling you. And it just is what it is, bro. I don't know what it is, bro. I just don't know what it is. They just hate, you know? But with that being said, man, that was 10 things, facts, stuff you need to know about Coarse Hair Wavers. It's your boy Rico the Waver. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Thumbs up this video, run it up to about 50 likes for this video. Just give me 50 likes on this video, and y'all have a blessed day, man. Stay safe, stay in the crib, quarantine, and brush. Get that brush work in. Y'all should have been brushing during this video. Y'all should have been doing all that. And don't get me wrong, some of these things can go to other people, but this is just for my Coarse Hair Wavers. I'm out.